Hello, welcome to your video on how to do your assignment. Let's get started. Okay, there's a few technical aspects to doing this on the computer. If you can just get them done, will make doing the assignment a lot easier and more efficient. Okay, so number one is putting a photo into Desmos. You'll get a photo, you download the image from the Google Classroom, and then you load it onto Desmos. So in order to load it, you go to this plus button here, image, okay, and then you go to logo, okay, and you get a copy of the image. Now this is a step that's important to take note of. I'm going to keep this in the center of the thing, make it bigger that way and that way. In fact, let's make it a little bit small that way. Okay, but pay attention to your scale and try and keep it centered. Okay, now let's get started with doing some of the equations. I'm going to map some of the lines across. Okay, these horizontal lines. Okay, but the same thing can happen with vertical lines and so on. Okay, so what you do is go y equals, we'll start with 1.2. 0.3. Cool, that looks like it's on the target. I'm trying to get it between there and there. So I want it to be, stop at about 5. Sorry, stop at about 4.5 and 2.3. In order to restrict the domain, I press space, I get curly brackets. 2.3 is bigger, is less than x, is less than minus 4.5. Okay, that 2.3 is probably not enough. So we'll give him 0.4, 0.5, 0.6. Okay, that looks good. Okay, so I've got that line there. Okay. That's one function mapped to the equation. Okay. To change the color of that line, so I want to make it yellow, I go to the setting bit, click on the dot, change the color. So I want to make it a hashy line, okay? And then when you get rid of the logo, done. When you can get rid of the logo like that, and it'll go really faint, okay? Just so you can see the parts that you've put on more clearly and the parts that are part of the background, okay? So that is how you get a line on Desmos, how you set a picture to the background, and how you restrict domain and range with straight lines. Okay, the rest of the task is up to you. Okay, you set the equations and do what suits you. Obviously, the harder the equations, the more points you get, and the more sophisticated and better it matches, the more points you get too. But this is just a short guide on how to do the technical aspects of setting up the assignment, as well as how to restrict the domain and range. Okay. At the end, you can take a screenshot of your picture. So I'm just using the snip that comes with Windows. And you can see I've got my picture there. And then I go to my Google Doc. which I open. And paste it. When it thinks about it, cool. As well as a screenshot of my equation. Obviously, you're going to have a better picture and more equations, but hopefully you get the point. Cool. I'm going to save this as what I want my title to be, which will be, I'll be student 1 in class task. And then I'll submit that as my assignment. Okay, if you've got any questions, queries, or doubtful points about the technical aspects, that's cool. Or the setting up for the assignment, or what to put in your summary sheet, or anything else, that's fine. I can help you with almost anything before you get the pictures and the assignment starts. It's just once the assignment starts, there will be no help. Okay, hopefully that answers all your questions, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye, guys.